Hello my friends, Phil Pravda here, founder and CEO of SUITCAFE.com, and I've received a lot of requests to show how to fit at least 2 suits into a small duffel bag without any wrinkles when they come out. Many of you may have seen my video on how to fold a suit or fold a jacket without wrinkles, and I'm going to put 2 suits that are right here next to me into this small duffel bag. And here we go. Welcome back everyone, Phil Pravda here, and I have 2 suits right next to me. These are full suits, normal sizes. Right here, one actually is a 40 regular, the other one's a 42 regular, 2 different sizes. And I'm going to fold these 2 suits using my signature fold that you may have already seen on YouTube. Many of you have used it, almost 1 million people, or maybe now over 1 million people have seen that video. I've gotten great comments from so many people saying it saved their suits. They took a 20-hour trip on an airplane. The suits were in the luggage, folded up. They got to their destination, to their hotel. They opened up their suits. They hung them on a hanger, and they wore them the same day, next day, without any wrinkles. So I'm going to use the same fold that you've seen before. Now I'm going to put them in this small little duffel bag that's right here in front of me. Now granted, we're not going to do this over time. I'm just going to show you how to fold them. But if you use my fold that I've shown in my video here on YouTube, you will see that this fold really works. So here we go. We're going to start with this first, with this blue jacket. We'll start with this one here. And if you want to see more detail on how to do this fold, I have a great video that shows this in slow motion, and I'll put the link here on this video. But basically, you fold it just like this, nice and flat. Now the shoulders are flat, and I'm going to put it right inside this duffel bag. I'm going to lay it flat right here inside. And actually, I didn't even try to do this before I started this video. I just said, hey, this looks like a nice small bag that it might work with, and I'll try that one out. So here we go. We got the trousers to this suit. And the trousers are very easy to fold. I also have a video about how to fold trousers. But you basically just line them up, and you fold them easily, nice in half. You lay it nice and easily inside. And you make sure it's nice and flat, just like that. And now we'll go with the second suit here. Here's the second suit in the gray. Hopefully you can see the contrast here, the contrast lining, so you can get an idea of what I'm doing right here. Lifting the collar up, lining up the lapels, letting it naturally fold over so it's nice and flat. And this is the slightly larger suit, so I'm going to put this right in here, just gently. Make sure it's nice and flat there inside. And then the trousers to that suit right here. Leaving them just like this, like they were on the hanger. Using one fold and then putting it right inside. We're getting to the top of this duffel bag, so this might not be a bag. Actually, no, we have some more room in here. We could easily fit 1 or 2 shirts right on top. But there you go. Nice, neatly folded using my proprietary fold, so you don't get any wrinkles when you take it out, and you have 2 suits inside this duffel bag. We have a few pockets on the side, we have another pocket on the front, and we have some room on the top. We could put a couple of dress shirts right here on top if you needed, or a belt or something like that. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that video. And if I was going on a trip now and taking these 2 suits, when I got to my destination, I'd take them out and there'd be no wrinkles. See you all again in the next video.